Hello, hello. Beautiful morning. All night it was raining. It's 2 years anniversary since all this thing started. So I already made an episode about what we did, how we did the first year, and now it will be episode of how we did the second year. I don't think it will be a big difference because there'd been ups and downs, same as the first year. There was a little bit more understanding about what's going on.
This one is 900 grams.
900, almost
Yes.
kilogram. Incredible view.
You don't trust him.
That the first year we lived with the hope that tomorrow it will open for tourists again. Well, this year we were already familiar with all this COVID machine, and we already were able to predict what will be next. 7.5 Agung hikes after a break of a year. Technical diving again. New diving friends, loads of positive emotions. And what's remarkable, it's 5 years since I'm living here in Bali. On one side it's been very challenging times. On the other side it was full of challenges, and the island been living its own life, and we've been all the time adapted for it. Like for example 2017 Agung eruption, 2018 on a Lombok there was a really strong earthquake, and we were also affected by some refugees coming from there, and also people looking for the job in the diving industry. 2019 was okay, and then all this pandemic story. And now, when we were already on a doorstep of opening borders, then almost in the middle of Europe, war happened. I'm just happy about that we didn't waste these 2 years. That was really useful time, and I think we've been growing since then, because in this rat race we were not able to think about like global things and really important things in our lives, and this was a good time to understand what is life for. That's the one who's making the sound. Now you know. What I'm sure about is that this is not the end of all these problems. I think we have to be patient for another couple of years until it all will settle down, because all these pandemics and wars always creates a lot of stress for economics and people, and it will take a time to figure it out. What we are planning to do these 2 years is learn, experience, and do something which can make us grow and become better. That's all the plan for all my life, actually. There's a lot of things in my bucket list which I would like to shoot. Like, for example, I would like to make a video of jukungs. The good moment when to do it is jukung race time, but then I have to wait until October again. October, November, when there is a wind season. Maybe in August already, but the jukung races are usually happening in October. You can check this episode out. Now I'm talking like a photographer. But actually, I hope there will come a day when all these videos, my videos, will get some artistic value. But at the moment, it's just to show you around. Most probably all of you taking me like a video registrator in the car, which just recording everything which is going on around. That's how I'm taking myself as well. little bit out of shape at the moment after all these vaccinations and other stuff, so trying to put myself on a track again. The plan is to hike every single morning or run, so that's the main idea. So today is the first day. I didn't plan to go that far, but then I saw that low clouds and I saw how it will look like on a video, and finally found myself here next to Lahangan Suite. Happens with me regularly. I'm planning one and like, okay, today I will be slow, and finally finding myself already running or racing. Or for example, planning, okay, I will just go there, but then you see something interesting and then you just go and go, and I cannot. That's the biggest problem for me. Or maybe it's not the problem, it's just I don't know, I'm just the kind of person who gets excited so fast. Not sure it's good or bad, but I used to live with that for all of my life and feeling absolutely happy about it. All right, I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye. Oh, fuck. Tired. Panas. Makasih. Jalan-jalan ya.